morning, guys. Hello. I hope. Skin lagot kayo.
Ulitin mo.
I hope that you guys are doing okay and everybody is happy because we are going to be happy for the rest of 2 weeks kasi we're going to Europe. Mag-Euro tour kami, mga besh.
Ito yung kaibigan niya, maghahatid lang.
Ito yung aming very supportive friend.
Loyal friend.
Na ano,
Tagahatid,
taga-sundo, taga-dilig, si Carmen taga lahat. Tinataga niya lahat. Well, yes, magkakaroon kami ng 5 countries yata yun, if I am not mistaken. So first entry po namin is ano yun? Lottery? Ano?
Point.
Yung point of entry namin is Paris, France. And then diretso kami. We will stay there for 2 days. 3 days. No, 2 nights. 2 nights. 2 nights, 3 days and 2 nights. Tapos diretso kaming Switzerland. We will stay there 2 nights. And then after that, Italy na kami. Milan, tapos Venice, and then after that diretso kami Austria. Yes!
My favorite place.
Merong naiinggit.
Tama.
Okay lang yan, pupuntahan mo rin yan.
Yes.
In God's way.
God's will.
In God's will and way. Pupuntahan mo rin yan. Ima-manifest natin yan, pupunta ka ng Austria.
Manifestation!
Also, after that, after Austria, diretso kami Netherlands. Pero titingnan muna namin kung anong mapupuntahan namin sa Austria. Kasi, sabi ng friend na imimit namin doon, yung i-stayan namin doon, baka daw maikot na namin yung Austria in 1 day kasi maliit lang daw yung Austria. So, baka may possibility na makakapunta kaming Slovenia or Czech Republic or Croatia, somewhere around Austria kasi malapit lang daw. Nasa border lang daw kasi ng bansa nila yung mga yun. So, hopefully maikot namin kaagad yung Austria and then may chance kami na makapunta doon sa karatig bansa ng Austria. Ayun. And exit namin Netherlands. Going to Canada na. So ayun, I'm so excited. It's going to be our first time. I hope na maging memorable at maging masaya. That's all that I want. Already, so we will update you soon when we get to the airport. Alright, see you later.
Canadian Goose.
Saan tayo?
Canadian Blue.
Sama ako.
Okay guys, so nakapag-check-in na kami. And we still have time. Okay, so since nakapag-check-in na kami guys, brunch na muna kami before we check-in at 2 o'clock. Sasama muna namin si Carmen para kumain. Dito lang naman kami sa airport. Hindi na kami lalabas. Baka mamaya maantalap kami.
Sure. And you're side with that. Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
No problem. I'll take all these out of your way here. Thank you guys.
Mag-check-in na po kami. Ay, hindi pala mag-check-in, magbo-boarding na.
Boarding time is over there.
Okay, iiwan na namin yung
Driver namin.
Yung driver namin dito. Yung katulong namin. Okay, ingatan mo yung bahay namin. Huwag mong kalimutan yung mga halaman, okay?
Opo, sir.
Pag
Pag kailangan ng ano, tawag lang ha.
tsaka yung yung
Ano na naman?
yung garahe ha.
Diyos ko. Papakita ko sa iyo close and
Open.
Open.
Close open.
Close open.
Sige na, babush.
babush.
Okay guys, so andito na kami sa Calgary and ang bilis lang namin ng ng eroplano namin. It's like 50 minutes or something. Saka hinihintay na lang namin yung boarding namin for our international flight. So in the meantime, kumain muna kami. Well, actually si Benji muna yung kumain kasi nagugutom daw siya. And I only had chicken soup from Subway. Yun ang muna yung kinain ko. Hindi naman kasi ako masyadong nagugutom pa. So, pero, Subway. Pero I am going to get magkakape muna ako. Of course, saan pa nga ba ako pwedeng magkape kundi sa Starbucks? Yan. So, merienda muna kami and then anong oras yung check-in natin, Box? 6 o'clock?
5:20 in boarding.
5:20. So currently it is 4:23. So another hour and then we'll be on our flight to Paris. We'll update you later, guys. Touchdown na kami dito sa airport ng Paris. We are in Paris. Check lang ni Benji yung address ng hotel na tutuluyan namin. So, Google lang niya ng konti para ma-determine namin kung anong masasakyan namin to go there. It's a little bit far. Okay?
Yes. So your hotel is next to the other airport, to Orly. So you have two options. You have option one, taxi or Uber. I don't know the price for the taxis. I have a flight rate to Paris to 65, so it may be 100 or something like that. Okay. If you're taking the transportation station. The ticket is 1660.
Okay.
So you go from here to the airport. Take the line B
Okay.
until Châtelet. And here you have to change with the line 14 that goes to Orly. And you take this line until this stop,
Okay.
and after you have 10 minutes walk.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. So this ticket can we ride anything, any ride? Or
Yeah,
it's just bus.
It's one.
This bus.
It's one
No,
ticket
not
to
the
use?
bus. It's train,
train?
and the subway to go to your destination.
Okay.
For one ticket, just the one ticket.
Yes. Are you staying for a few days?
Just 2 days.
2 days.
2 days. If you're gonna use the subway again tomorrow, we have the 2 days option, 51.50, and with that you can use our transportation and go and come back to the airport.
You wanna do that? But we'll take this one first
Okay,
because
perfect.
we're meeting a friend as well.
Okay.
So just the two tickets.
Yeah, 2 tickets.
Ayan guys, so sa wakas nakalabas na din kami ng istasyon ng tren. Kasi nagkandalito-lito lang kami ng konti lang naman, slight lang naman kasi ang laki kasi ng train system nila dito, kaya medyo nakakalito ba, especially kapag ikaw ay bago. Doon kami galing doon. So lalakad lang kami dito papunta sa hotel namin. Ano lang daw, 12 minutes walk. Navigate lang ni Benji yung yung address. Ha? Bonjour. Hello. Medyo lang kami, nag-rest lang kami ng konti. Kasi talagang sobrang pagod namin sa kahanap navigate ng hotel kung saan ba. Tsaka itong lugar kasi na pinagstayan namin medyo nasa malayo dun sa city proper, ha? Nang makapag-check-in na kami, nag-rest na muna ng konti. At because medyo late na kami nakapag-check-in. So tonight siguro magdi-dinner para bukas na kami. Uy, may B&B and hotels pala dito. Dito pala yun. Tahimik lang yung lugar dito. Ano, chill lang. Yan, ito may hotel din dito. Wala halos taong naglalakad. Well, considering na 8 o'clock na ng gabi. Pero yung kaninang dumating kami sa hotel, habang iniikot, hinahanap namin yung hotel, wala din namang mga tao. Kasi ito, airport din ito eh, banda. Parang airport area. Ayun, meron naglalakad ng mga aso. Hindi na ako nakapag room tour kasi humiga ako kanina, tapos nakatulog na ako sa sobrang pagod. Grabe ang jet lag namin. So, yeah, ngayon naghahanap kami ng pwede naming makainan. Tapos maybe babalik na kami ng hotel after para we will be ready for tomorrow. Ganda ng bahay. Ang ganda ng neighborhood. Chill vibes. Parang palasyo naman itong isang to. Ganda ng bahay niya. Oh. Bagong gawa. Yan. Yung tahimik dito. Subdivision siguro ito na, Bo. Guys, ang hirap pumili. Kasi di namin maintindihan kung ano kakainin namin. Puro naka Francis. Ito lang yung naintindihan namin. Ito na lang yung kukunin ko.
Saan?
Yung carbonara.
O pwede naman din yung walang meat yan. Yung carbonara. Pero yung normal din, merong chicken. Full lettuce chicken.
Saan yun?
Yun din, sa pasta. Kala ko ba marunong ka mag-French?
Yun ang alam ko. Desserts naman ito.
Yeah, normal.
Normal. Puli. Anong kampiyon?
Mushroom.
Hindi kaya soup lang yun?
Tingin na kalagay, pates.
Okay. Carbonara it is. So ayun nga guys, tapos na kaming mag-dinner and papunta na kami ngayon sa supermarket or sa grocery para bumili ng essentials for our stay. Kasi wala kaming lotion, wala kaming, meron namang sabon doon, no? Kaso lang it's a parang body wash lang yun. Hair and body wash. So parang yung maliit lang para may magamit lang namin with the rest of our stay. Pero yes, our dinner was good. It was great actually kasi masarap. It wasn't a French cuisine, pero it was good and I loved it. Pero alam mo naman ako, madaling maumay kapag walang kanin. Naumay ako doon. In-order ko carbonara. Tapos yung kay Benji, mga mini pizzas. Saka ngayon guys, kung napapansin ninyo, tayo sa mga bata na yan ha. Diretso ba tayo? Medyo natakot ako doon kanina. Kasi may mga bata. Sabi ko, parang tsaka yung ang tawag dito, yung lugar ang tahimik, walang mga katao-tao. Sabi ni Benji, daw, kuwan sila ngayon, linggo, kaya araw ng pahinga. Kaya naman pala wala masyadong tao. By the way guys, nandito nga kami sa sa isang grocery shop. We're going to buy some few things before we head back to the hotel. Yeah, so far tubig pa lang ang bit-bit ni Benji. We need shampoo. Oh no, lotion. Sorry. Nothing? On the second aisle?
Toothpaste.
Nivea cream. Mura lang oh.
Lotion ba yan?
€2 lang. Yeah, but you can use this. You can use this everywhere. Ano kaya? Di kasi namin maintindihan kung anong ito siguro. No. Oh, this one's soap. Ang sabon daw is €159. Bok, may sabon dito oh. Gusto mo? Bumili tayo. Sabon. Okay guys, as I promised, ito na yung room tour namin ngayon lang kasi hindi masyado kaming Hi! Magro-room tour ako no? Ano ka? Kasi hindi kami nakapag-room tour kanina. Pero anyways, ito na po. So pagpasok mo sa pintuan, ito na kagad yung washroom.
Isang oras ang biyahe.
Yan. Nakaligo na po kami dito. So, I love it because of the shower head. So, yan. Ang salamin, of course. Tapos, yan lang. Washroom na. Ayan na. Toilet na dito. Yan. So, tapos, yun na yung mga gamit namin sa baba. Yan. Tapos ito yung sabitan namin ng mga anik-anik. Tapos yun na yung bed namin. Queen bed lang yata to eh. Is it queen bed? It looks smaller than a queen bed.
Yes.
But yeah,
8 hours
tapos yan yung namin, bintana. We have a
8 hours
TV.
na.
And
1:30 na dyan.
that's it. That is it. It's a small room pero it's cozy. At maganda yung hotel. Okay. So we'll see you tomorrow. Ipaplano namin yung mapapasyalan namin bukas, okay? Have a nice day. We'll see you again tomorrow.